All right, so feature release. Today we are releasing the memorandum feature. Now what this is a tab that shows up on your partner's profile inside Partnerhub and allows you to create structured notes to append essentially expectations, timelines, key objectives, commitments, anything that you are expected to get done with this partner or general notes from a session. So a good example to use to follow to create this structured notes area for each of your partners is in this document here, Partnership Memorandum, that we usually share. It's available throughout our collective community. You can chat me in Slack if you don't have a copy of this. But before this feature, we were sending out this document suggesting our agencies and our tech partner teams fill it out for each one of their partners. And what it does is allows you to align on expectations and say, we agreed on this, and in a quarter from now or a year from now, let's look back and see if we followed and committed to what we agreed on. So things like goals for both party in year one, what each of you will be putting into the partnership. Will you be certified or going down a certification track? What URLs specifically on each other's websites are we going to highlight each other? Target audiences you will be going after together, credentials you'll be going after to achieve. If you co-sell together, what platform are you going to be using? There's plenty out there. If I'm using one and you're using a different one, we're not aligned and it will be not effective for us. Exclusivity clauses, if there are any, and then we suggest that both parties sign the document and update it quarterly. This is how it used to get done. Now in Partnerhub, we make it a little bit easier for you. So you can take goals for year one into Partnerhub, create the title, and then create a structured notes area where it could be bullet point goals, increase shared accounts by blank, percent. Two, maybe you want to attract key logos in the healthcare space using creative co-marketing, whatever it is, right? Get certified in the product. So essentially, I'm telling my team here, this is my account, I'm on Gorgeous's profile, I'm telling my team that this is what I want to get done in year one. Now I can save that as goals for both parties year one, and it has a date and a time so that my teammates, when they go to this profile, they see the profile, documents, Gorgeous is added, add some labels if that's relevant for this user. But I can open this up and actually view what this is and what has been spoken about and what exactly we went through. So it's editable. So what I suggest you use is goals for both party. Yes. Create a memo for everything that you want to do with the partner, specific accounts we are targeting, and then account A, B, C with URLs and contacts. So you can hyperlink stuff, you can add graphics, screenshots if that's necessary. And then maybe you want to do platforms we are using to manage this relationship. Reveal.co, Airtable, I don't know, whatever it is. But you're creating what is your memorandum using these memos. So we're going to iterate on this based on your user feedback. I think some people are going to suggest that we add an export options. Maybe you want to export these as a PDF. Maybe you want to quickly view it and show a pop-up of the actual memo instead of having to click in and edit. But please, feedback, give it to me, let me hear it. And we hope you use this, and this will help your team just make sure that each one of your partnerships has a goal, everybody's on the same page, and you and your partners know exactly what was agreed upon, so that later you can look back and see if the partnership is ROI positive, if it is on track, if it is everything that you hoped it would be. So I hope you enjoy it, the memorandum feature.